So you just got pulled over. Officer comes up to your window with his whole scripted line deal, license and registration. So you politely hand him your cards. And then he's like, son, do you know why I pulled you over? And you're like, because you wanted to check if I had permits for these guns. And then he doesn't laugh, walks back to his car, and comes back with your window tint ticket. Don't worry, I got you covered. As long as you got an iron, we can get these bad boys off in about 2 minutes to 120 seconds per window. So let's jump right in. All right, so I have done absolutely no prepping. All I've done was stare out my windows, kind of mad that I gotta peel off my tint. But all you need is a hot iron and a razor blade. So find your local emo kid, take his razor blade from him, save his life, and get some steam on this baby. Alright, got my blade. Roll it down a little bit here. You got a blade on the bottom side there. Give me a little lip. There you have it.